So I think I cracked the code. After years of trading everything from stocks to Forex to crypto, I've recently focused on binary options, and I've developed a strategy that's allowing me to consistently have winning trading sessions with what I would call significantly managed risk. I just don't have losing sessions when I put it all together. My name is Troy. I'm a retired naval aviator, which was an awesome career, but unfortunately everybody needs to grow up at some point. I studied math and statistics, and as an aviator you have to develop a very analytical mind just to keep up, especially with today's aircraft. I was a flight instructor for many years, including both curriculum development, classroom instruction, simulators, and teaching and evaluating students in the aircraft. I taught tactics and aircraft systems in multiple squadrons. I got good at taking complex concepts and breaking them down into easily understood pieces. As a casual trader in the early 2000s, I realized markets were manipulated to the point where active trading was just a waste of time using the tools available at the time. So I focused on my career and stuck to buy and hold type investments. In 2010, I started studying technical trading. I read all the books I could find on candlesticks and indicators before restarting regular trading in stocks, Forex, and options, even though there appeared to be even more heavy market manipulation present. I've traded everything from stocks, mutual funds, stock options, Forex, crypto, and now binary options. I'm not a YouTuber, and I don't want to be one, but this is the best way I can find to get my message out there. So if you think my format isn't flashy or up to date enough, I just don't care. The information is what's important, and if you're looking for flashy videos, you were never my target audience anyway. So I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy who studied enough to develop a working strategy that, if used correctly, can consistently win at binary options. I'm limiting my student base to 100. I don't want to affect the brokers as they're currently operating. And yes, my strategy is that good. If you roll in with too many people and you're taking too much money out of their brokerage, they're going to change the game, and I want to avoid that. I've developed a winning strategy using a package of indicators, candlesticks, and price action, and that's how I'm beating binary options. Many years of recognizing systems and rules in place to steal from the little guy trader has just made me very jaded. I don't trust the market operators, the brokers, institutional investors are the worst, or even the regulators who pretend to want to protect the little guy. Every market is manipulated, and it exists to take your money and give to the people who own it all already. There's no such thing as a perfect indicator. It all lags the market and is just a different way of packaging what happened to give you some chance of understanding what will happen next. In my opinion, trading and gambling are the same. I like blackjack, and after a very technical study and practice, I got good enough to win a tournament in Vegas, which was awesome. I don't care what you're investing in, it's all gambling, and the sooner you accept that, the better off you're going to be. Keep in mind, you as the little guy will always lose if you don't prepare and study. There's just no way around it to win over time. If you throw down random bets or with limited information, you're guaranteed to blow up your account. You could say my strategy to beat binary options has been in work for over 20 years. That's how long I've been evaluating markets, indicators, price action, and tracking win versus loss rates. I'm not connected to any broker or individual. My strategy is designed to work with one broker who offers the specific package I use. I do like to use multiple indicators, short time frames, candlesticks, and ultimately price action. I'll teach you the basics of what is required for each different piece of the puzzle and give you a training package to study and practice so you can get good and beat the broker. Binary options allows you to trade different assets, which is pretty cool. You're not stuck to any one class. So you can trade binaries of stocks, Forex, commodities, indices. I'm limiting the number of students to 100 total. I looked at how many different brokers there are and how many users would start to skew win rates. And I know these people are looking closely at how much they're taking in each day and what their profit margin is. relative to the number of users. One other trader told me that he's been contacted by his binary options broker, and they asked him what he was doing to win because he was consistently winning, and they didn't like that. So that's where the cap is coming in. Now I'm achieving a consistent 74% win rate. If I casually trade and if I really focus, I can hit 80%. Now keep in mind the return rates change on the binary option sites. The ones I'm using is sometimes as low as 40%, but never above 92%. And I stick with assets that are 80% or higher. So, if with that, you can see how a 51% win rate is still a losing bet. When I say focus, I mean locking the dog out of the office so I'm not constantly throwing her ball. So I'm still finalizing the training document that comes with the package, but the strategy is in place. I've been trading it live with good success as predicted in my models, as well as in demo accounts. The offer is this. You pay a flat fee for the strategy package that includes a proprietary document that will have the necessary background in each area of decision-making, a training plan to focus your practice, and 5 30-minute live trading sessions with me where we'll make sure you understand all the basics and then go through step by step, and then ultimately focus on price action and actually place trades and see the results. I expect to have the training document complete within a week. I'm just making sure it's complete and it makes the most sense. So like and subscribe for more information on this upcoming strategy offer, and thanks and have a great day.